Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create presets, how to apply presets on your photos. Presets is basically a group of settings. By using that, you can edit any picture in just one click. These are some presets I have made. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create presets, how to create QR codes, and you can share this preset with your friends too. So without wasting any time, watch the video till the end. Let's start. So now I'm going to create dark moody preset. For that, just open your any picture, click on open and select your picture. Okay, now next, go to the tool section, click on tune image tool. To create dark moody presets, I'm going to decrease the brightness level a little bit, increase the contrast, decreasing saturation, not much. Ambience is around -37. Highlight, increasing highlight a little bit because I want little glowing face. Okay. Shadow and warmth +2. Okay. Simply click on apply. Okay. You can see the change. Okay. Next. Now again, go to the tool section. Now I'm going to increase the details. Okay. For that, just click on details tool. Increase the structure level plus around 25. Okay. And sharpening level 2. Okay. Click on apply. Okay. Go to the tool section. Now it's time to make this picture more contrast with the tones. Okay. So I'm using curves tool. Click on style and apply soft contrast. Okay. And simply click on apply. Now next, again, go to the tool section, click on white balance, increasing temperature a little bit, and tint -2. Okay, click on apply. Next, again, go to tool section, scroll down, and select tonal contrast. Now we are going to glow the face. Okay. Keeping the high tones +13, medium tones +28, low tones +18, protect shadow +12, protect highlights +10. Okay, and just click on apply. Again, go to the tool section, scroll down, click on portrait. Okay, click on style and apply smooth one. Okay. And just increase the percentage. Click on apply. Again, go to the tool section, scroll down and click on vignette tool. Now outer brightness, in the outer brightness -15 and inner brightness +2. Okay, and simply click on apply. Now last step, again go to the tool section and select grainy film. Okay. Swipe left and apply L02. This style. Okay. Now let's adjust this grain +2 and style strength +7. Okay. And just apply it. And here is our final photo. You can see before one and the after one, before one and the after one. Okay. Okay, now let's save this preset. Okay, to save this preset, just click on this symbol. Okay, scroll down, click on this plus symbol and just type the name. You can give any name. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. And simply click on save. You can see the preset is created. And if you want to share this preset with your friends, simply click on edit tag, QR look, create a QR look. You can take the screenshot from here, scan this QR from your mobile and get this preset. Okay, from here you can scan the QR code I have generated, and to save the picture just click on this download symbol and click on export. Let's apply these presets on other photos too. Click on open and select your any other picture. Okay, now to apply the preset, just go down and simply click on the preset you have created. You can see it looks amazing. Like this you can create presets and apply presets to your other photos, and you can simply edit your any picture in just one click.